This video teaches you how to create a currency conversion calculator using Microsoft Excel. Open a web browser, look up your current conversion rate, and then select the currencies you want to compare. This will give you the current conversion rate. Open Microsoft Excel. Click Blank Workbook. Create a chart with your currency conversion information. Type the first currency's name into A1, currency's value into B1. Type the second currency's name into A2, the conversion rate into B2. Type your starting currency's name into D1. Type the currency values to convert into the D column. Type the conversion currency's name into E1. Click E2, then type in =sign B2, press F4 D2 and hit Enter. This will display the converted equivalent of your starting currency in cell E2. Apply the formula to the rest, click E2 again to select it, then double-click. Second currency's column will fill up with conversions of the currency values.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.